Justice. Justice. Which one you want, baby? That's the one you want? Okay, that's the one you're gonna get.
You wanna hold it?
She like, I want this one.
She trying to.
I guess that's the one she want. Okay, let it go. Mommy gonna get it for you. Let it go. Guys, we're gonna get some firecrackers and we're gonna prank them. Sylvia is here to get. We're gonna get a pack of firecrackers.
I need the timer will tell me how much percentage.
Screaming rattlers. They shoot up in the, like you put them in the ground, they light them up. They shoot up in the sky, start spinning around, making a loud screeching noise. They stick them in a bottle or anything sturdy and then light them up and they'll shoot up in the sky.
So which one's better? These are them.
I'm always used to shooting bottle rockets in there.
What's good?
Having it.
So today, guys, we are going to be doing a firecracker prank on the kids. We're going to be putting some firecrackers by the window and scaring the mess out of them. Stop! Do a little pre-4th of July prank on the kids. So we wanted to take you guys with us on this prank. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Can't even post notifications to be notified of future videos.
And don't forget to follow our social media accounts down below. You can also find that in the description area. So guys, y'all ready to jump into this video? Because they're going to be scared. Alright, y'all. Why would you do that right there? You just said they're going to bottle. So I'm going to take the camera in our room. And you like the fireworks by our window, our bedroom window. Because they in our room. So you ready? You ready for me going there now? Light it by my side.
I don't really want to go back there.
All you got to do is just light them and throw them over there. You really don't want to go? You scared or something? You scared of the dark? Anyway, guys, we better take this in the house.
Off the street.
Where her wipes at?
Off the street.
I'm looking rough and dusty and look at my hair like, no.
You're not looking dusty. You look like you.
I still look cute. I can still pull you
You
here.
look like you 15.
She look like she's 15.
Boy, I'm you can say, per se, I'm 17.
No, you're not. You're 16.
Yes, I am. Well, I'll be 17
You 5? I'm 6.
in November.
I'm tired.
No, I'm here a little
If we
bit.
go to
Mommy, I don't want to grow apart from you. I said I don't want to grow apart from you in my life.
That should get a husband. If he take care of him.
No, I'm not allowing nobody to do that.
That's about it.
Couldn't pay me to do it. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know about marriage right now, but I mean, I don't want to get married.
So of course you're not getting married right now.
No, I'm saying, look, I'm saying, I don't think I want to get married at all.
Oh, you not doing that?
Cause what is the difference? A marriage is what? The same as a
Don't say a
relationship.
marriage is a piece of paper. Please don't.
Who said that?
A lot of people say that.
It really is.
It's not.
Yes, y'all married through the government.
It's making a child.
Look, y'all married through the government.
It's
Y'all
making a child.
Marriage is we have a unity with God.
It's making a
We
child.
have a unity. We are forever. A relationship?
God can accept you with no marriage.
No, we won't. That's fornication, baby. Fornicating. You're not supposed to be sleeping with a man that's not your husband.
Well, it's a sleepover though. It could be a sleepover.
Okay, so how we
Sleeping with a man that's not your husband, then guess what? There's a problem.
But
Excuse me. Marriage is more than a piece of paper. And marriage is there's a lot to marriage. It's just so much more. You're just laying up in a relationship with somebody that's not promising you anything. Who's that shooting? Somebody shooting out there?
oh my God.
Y'all better duck. They might get through the window. It's a prank. We prank y'all.
That wasn't what.
That's scared of it. Right. She went right for you. Oh, here, get her. She's scared. Look, she like, man, forget this. Y'all done pissed me off. Say it's a prank. We pranked you, girl. She look just like me. We pranked y'all.
Really?
Yeah, it was recording the whole time. I said it ain't recording.
I thought that we was gonna play a prank on Justin. Like, you know what?
We is, girl. But we had to prank y'all. Look, she's scared now. You scared, baby?
And I smell burning fire.
There goes some more. That's your daddy.
Yeah, I jumped.
That's your daddy out there popping firecrackers. She went right for you, right? That's so sweet. She love her big sister. Let's say what's up to the vlog and to show them your hair, girl. Say this ain't just no dry bonnet with air. Say my hair is cute. This is not a bonnet full of air. Say I'm looking real cute.
It took like 10 minutes. It didn't take that long. Like,
Y'all gonna be up all night. Justin, you scared, mommy? Baby,
you like to see hair?
baby, baby, you scared? Oh, she love her baby, her big sister.
I almost did this.
I know you love me too, right, Justin?
Go tell Justin to come here, Anthony. Go tell Justin to come here. Are you scared, baby? You scared of those firecrackers? Huh?
Another party
Yeah. Go get it.
Somebody call somebody wig a party city wig.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You gotta go. You gotta find somewhere to go.
My name's
I got you.
Was y'all scared, Miracle?
Yeah, but I'm used to.
I was scared. I was scared for like 5
I'm
seconds.
used to
Tell them what y'all think about that prank.
I don't think nothing, guys. Y'all will not get a reaction out of me.
What you think about that prank, Anthony?
I just got off the bed.
I'm legit.
Was you scared? Huh? Was you scared? Babe!
You're always doing flips.
I'm walking to the street.
That is it for that prank.
That was a teeny video. This big.
Just
Yes.
crying.
Miracle's like, oh, did you hear that? Justin's scared. She's like, reaching for Brian. Yes. She kept looking towards the window like, I hope they not about to do that again. She was scared. She was reaching for Mariah. Oh, that's so cute.
Mine not saving nobody.
So guys, let us know what you think about that prank. Like I said, guys, if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified each and every time we upload. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts down below. You can also find that in the description area. We out, guys. That is it for this video.
Yes, sir.
Say peace.
We're out. Rock JD. No,
Say bye.
everybody better say it. Rock JD squad. Better go say it.
Who said?
I don't want it.
You scared?
Yeah.
Hold a sparkler.
Yes. It's not gonna pop me.
Girl, it's not gonna pop. You go get that sparkler.
You hold it.
Okay, I'll
Let me see you, Anthony. Come over here.
Go out anyway.
Come over here so you can show the vlog. Yeah, see, Anthony ain't scared. Shake it, Anthony. Circles.
Dead.
You're supposed to be showing the vlog, Anthony.
That was fun.
Yeah, Anthony, another sparkler.
I want another sparkler.
That was fun. That was so good, but no fireworks. Yeah, look.
Oh my God, these bugs tearing me up. Jesus Christ, guys.
That's good.
Shake it around, Mariah. Get away from the gas tank. Shake it around in circles. Yeah. Look at Mariah, scared of a sparkler. You see this, Justice? Justice, you see what she doing? That stink. Oh my God, these bugs killing me, y'all.
You hold it on the stick side so I don't burn it. It will burn me. It will burn me.
It ain't gonna burn you. Turn this way, Anthony. Show the vlog.
Y'all
Go
look.
back. Stand back. Stand back. Shake it around in circles or something.
Yeah, by the way, this is the day before. Before,
I'm about to make a.
hold on, let me step back. I don't have.
Point it over towards there.
Get back.
Watch out.
I didn't even see nothing.
That's it. Is that it?
5 of them in there.
For real? That was
Do that
lame.
again. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. I didn't see nothing.